Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to insert chart in Google Sheets. Why would you want to know how to insert chart in Google Sheets? Well, maybe you are new to Google Sheets. So today I am going to show you how to insert chart in Google Sheets. Check the very description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Okay, here's our list. Let's mark this and click on here, chart, insert chart. It will automatically make a chart for you, resizing, and let's go to this tab if you want to change anything. So now customize chart tab, the color, background color, you can change it any color like this. Now let's just change it and go back non-color. Theme, you can change, and 3D the layout, domain, okay, line color, you can change anything you want to, and the format of that label text color, you can change it to, you can change everything. That easy guys. There you go. If you want to know how to insert chart in Google Sheets, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to do it, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.